Did you have your Snickers today?
He's been out here for 15 minutes trying to do that.
Later now. Same day as that boiler. It's not even 1 o'clock yet. And what we're gonna do, shut this water here. We'll shut that gas after. I'll have Derrick come down and make some room. This is that water filter I put in. And we'll get this thing drained down. It's got a full port ball valve on the bottom. Beautiful. You know where I keep my wrenches on the back of my truck?
You need a pipe wrench?
Yeah. Like the purple one and the red one? Okay. Yeah, thank you. It's sturdy. He still got it. I got you on film. Say hi to YouTube. Like you never left. What happened? You don't want to do it anymore?
Oh, like take this off?
Yeah, because I want to reuse this. Yeah. So if you haven't watched it yet, because that video will be out before this one, and I'm talking to you viewers, Mike tried annihilating Derrick and I earlier. He turned the gas on, and the drip leg for the boiler wasn't on yet. And we were like, whoa, whoa, whoa! But that didn't happen in New York State. Or the United States. It was a job we did up in Canada. Well, that's safe. I just gotta cut the hot water. Can you come out so that I can drop it?
Hey!
Can you hold on 1 second? It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Why would you watch? You're on the roof. It's not like you have people beneath you. Let's see, we could go this way. Try to tilt it up and over.
And over
Like,
that way?
yeah, like if I could try to shimmy it to you. Freaking 75 gallon. No, it's stupid. All right, hold on. I'm just caught on this. Okay, there we go. There we go. All right, now I can, yep. Good. The roofing guy's giving us a shower. Holy moly.
Is that like rule number 1 working on a roof?
It is like you should look down before you do anything. Derrick, I think we'll drop it right where you were standing. Just so we can get this next one out.
This much work. That's nasty.
That is nasty.
Color dark skin.
Yeah, do you see that story?
You know that Dominican thing that he's saying?
Kalo K?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like, what's up?
And he's not even Dominican.
Right.
They,
Yeah, but he looks like he could pass. Derrick. Derrick. Where'd you go?
I'm right here.
Oh.
He just floats around.
Do people mistake you for Dominican?
Yeah.
How does it make you feel?
I'm mad Dominican.
Are you?
Yeah.
You're mad Dominican? 100% Salvadorian? But you were born here, right?
Yeah.
So that gives you like a 20% American.
American?
Well, at what point do you start factoring in where you're from or where you were born? Right?
Yeah.
Just be careful that hose, when you disconnect it, water doesn't start pouring out of it because you're holding it lower than the height of the sink. Just carry the whole thing out and empty it at the road so you don't get brown water in the driveway.
I feel like you can only be...
Where did I put my fittings? Oh, right here in front of my fucking face. I gotta mow my lawn today. I feel like every time I work with Daniel, it's the same day I gotta mow my lawn.
Sorry.
No. Shit happens. Daniel, you watch Love Island?
No. Love on the Spectrum, though.
That show's actually very enjoyable.
I love Connor.
Which one's that?
Connor's the one who's, well, he's got autism.
I would die. Yeah. Is he the one that has like a bald spot?
Yes.
Yeah.
I also I forget his name. There's this other guy. He says something all the time. What does he say? Interesting.
Mmm.
Very interesting.
See, I don't watch it, but my wife does. And we had watched an episode where this dude, he brought the girl home and like she saw his room and she was like freaking out over his room because it was a mess. And I think like that ruined his chances with her.
Yes. I think it's just a montage of him saying interesting. I don't think you need a copyright for this.
Dogs
I'm
and
not even close.
dolphins.
Oh, yeah.
It's interesting.
Interesting.
If you wanted to hold hands.
Damn, she's pregnant now.
Interesting. Is good. You like that stuff? Do you like karaoke by any chance?
Yeah, I love karaoke.
Oh
For my birthday coming
This is
up,
what Gio is
I'm
like.
actually doing like a karaoke.
Derek, can I see the 1-inch jaws?
Cut back on that venting. I don't want to do that though.
It sucks. There's no way we don't have room to pull it towards us, towards me.
The heater?
Yeah.
You could try.
Instead of trying to.
Oh, it's not full of water.
No.
A little more back. Careful with the guy.
Stop yelling at us, bro. The gas isn't on.
Perfect.
Merch.
Merch. So dumb. Come on, Derek. Put the right head on.
Well, it doesn't help that the screws that are given are a mix of 1/4 inch and 5/16. Nah, see, that's a Geo thing, giving an excuse.
Does that look long enough for a drip light?
Do you remember what the number was?
6 inches.
Okay.
Off the ground. Can you make sure you 6 inches?
Why do you need it? Oh, yeah.
What's wrong with this one? Come on, Derek. It's not my fault. It is. Everything's your fault.
Derek, why don't you just literally put a coupling on it? I'd rather you waste a coupling than waste a whole length of pipe.
But cut off all that gross.
Yeah, cut the gross shit off of there. took a long time. Come on, give me one more.
Somebody commented on my videos that Derrick needs to get a haircut.
The broccoli.
Oh, so
So Daniel's method is to just keep going and going and going until it lights.
what's your method?
Click, wait, click, wait. Yeah, I think it just crushed one of the rocks. Because let's see, 75 gallons times 8 pounds a gallon. So that's like, what, 600 pounds plus the weight of the water heater? So it's like 800 pounds.
That's more than Janine.
All right, gotta clip that one.
So good.
I made chicken drumsticks
On the black.
on the Blackstone. Because I want to,
They get all charred on the outside.
yes, it was very nice. Nice. Because I bought from Costco the 3 packs of chicken, like it's a sleeve of chicken that comes in 3 separate packs. And I opened them up and they smelled like rotten eggs. And I was like, yeah, I'm not cooking that. So I went to Stop and Shop and a family pack of chicken drumsticks was $4.60.
That's pretty good.
I'm like, so I bought 3. So I'll freeze the other ones.
Did you season them?
Yeah, just salt, pepper, salt, onion, garlic powder. No, sometimes I'll cook it in sauce, but then the kids won't eat it.
Yeah.
So I'll just dip it in a sauce afterwards.
My dad used to just take. My dad had no idea how to cook,
Right?
and neither did my mom. But he would just take every seasoning in the pantry, put
Right.
them on chicken legs, and throw them in the oven.
Yeah.
He'd put like cumin.
That's
garlic
hilarious.
not garlic. Cinnamon. Everything. Nutmeg.
This guy is stupid. Nothing.
And then whenever my mom was at home, he'd sneak into the fridge, take out a whole pack of hot dogs, and just start eating raw hot dog right out of the bag.
Well, it's not raw.
I know, but it's still gross.
No, it is
Soggy,
gross.
wet.
Yeah.
Yo, you would just stay up in the middle of the night and just eat wieners? Yo, bro.
I gotta put a disclaimer on this video. That's great. Wow, 83.7% efficiency. For a
It's got cold water in it, so it's
True.
condensing.
Right. Oh yeah, I see that.
Once it's at temperature, it's going to be less efficient. What's so funny, Derrick?
No. Five and a half.
Wow.
So close.
Wow.
I made sure it wasn't. Damn, but I took it back to.
And you took the press tool.
Come on, Gina.
Yeah, no cursing.
$100. Alright, but you gotta like. Don't kill me, bro.
Ready?
I bet. Go.
Ready?
Yeah. Ah! Ah! Ah, that's not that bad, actually. Ah, give me that 100.
Right there.
Give me that. That's not that bad.